This year, I'm doing something new, and it's called Flip My Classroom. It's a type of engagement where students can learn content online prior to a lesson so they have a better understanding of what's going on and what entitles in the topic. These videos that I'm making, the students are going to review them before coming into the classroom the next day with questions. If they have problems, we can maybe do a one-on-one. They can work with their students, and their parents are getting insight on what's going on in the classroom and with their child's lesson. Our first activity we are doing with Flipping My Classroom, we are going to use these base 10 blocks. Now, what are base 10 blocks? Base 10 blocks are mathematical manipulatives used to teach students concepts like place value, counting, addition, and subtraction. I've laid out blocks here to show you what we will be working with and what they are. This is called a hundreds block. It's made up of 100 units called a flat. Also, this is called a rod or long. This is made up of 10 single units, and 10 of these make up a flat, as shown here. This is the ones block unit called 1 unit. 10 of these units will make up 1 rod or long. 100 of these single units, as said before, will make up a flat, 100. So I will be passing out sets to each of my students so they get a feel and they can see a visual. Students can play with them. I have 10 here. They can build. I had 10 rods laying out. So you can see that 10 rods equal a flat. So here I have 200. 10 rods and a flat, a hundreds flat. I only laid out a few singles, but the students will obviously have more, so they have an understanding that 100 of these units equal the flat. So let's do a quick example, and then you can go around the house and find things, items maybe, that will help your child and you learn better about base 10 blocks. For example, Marissa had 6 donuts and 6 cookies to pass out to her class. So we want to use the singles unit, 2, 4, 6. We want to do 2, 4, 6 here. 6 donuts, 6 cookies. How many is she going to be passing out? Now I want them to learn to exchange and regroup the units. So with 6, the student's going to think, oh, I can add 4 to this and exchange it for 1 rod. So the student has 1 rod, which is 10, and 2 units, which is 12. So the students are going to be able to distribute the singles for a rod. They're going to be able to add using manipulatives with the base 10 blocks and learn a visual way for a mathematical manipulative. This was my introduction to Flipping My Classroom. Also, an introduction to our base 10 blocks and what we are going to be learning for the week.